Hello traders, hello friends! Welcome again to my channel. And for today's video, eto na, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang aking trading plan para meron din kayong idea. I will show you exactly how I structure my trading plan, and of course later, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo my own trading plan para meron kayong idea or reference. So without further ado, here it is! When it comes to having a trading plan, there are two areas that are very important. First is of course yung strategy, and second ay yung risk management, okay? So when I say strategy, ito yung technical areas wherein ito yung set of rules that will bring you to take trades ng paulit-ulit, and of course, syempre hindi nyo na dapat pag-isipan pa dahil binacktest nyo na to ilang beses nyo na siyang nakita, okay? And of course, dahil binacktest nyo yung strategy na yon, syempre confident tayo na by applying those rules, ay alam nyo na magiging profitable kayo in a long run. Okay? Syempre, etong strategy na to ay binacktest natin. Kaya alam natin talaga na meron tayong edge in the market. Okay? Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga students namin na ang trading is a business. Okay? At dapat sure tayo na ang ating strategy ay may edge in the market. Alright? Sa aking trading plan, ito yung 3 categories na nilagay ko. Okay? First, syempre yung goal. Second, strategy. And third, most important is yung risk management. Alright? So, pag sinabi nating goal, syempre, dapat realistic. So, for example, to consistently make 3% monthly profit. Okay? So, mas maganda na mag-use kayo ng graphs dito or images to represent growth. Okay? So, pwede nyo gamitin dito yung MyFX book. Okay? Para ma-monitor din ang inyong performance. Okay? And syempre, pwede rin yung journal nyo. Alright? Pwede rin naman kung ang goal nyo ay magkaroon ng financial freedom, okay? Pero sabi ko nga gusto ko, ang i-goal nyo ay maging realistic, okay? Next naman na category ay, syempre, ito na yung strategy natin, okay? Ito yung set of rules, okay, na pina-follow natin consistently, alright? And since binacktest natin to, alam natin na by following this strategy repeatedly, alam natin na profitable ito and meron talagang edge in the market. Of course, itong risk management, ito yung core of every strategy, okay? So baliwala ang ating technical analysis, fundamental analysis, as well as nagsa-sentiment analysis pa kayo kung wala naman kayong risk management, okay? So, very important talaga ito. So, dapat i-define nyo kung risk appetite nyo, pero feasible ay hanggang 2% lang ang i-risk nyo per trade, okay? And syempre, ideally, dapat at least 1:1 ang ating risk to reward ratio, okay? Maganda if maka-spot talaga kayo ng 1:2 or more, okay? Actually, ang pangalan ng aking strategy ay Golden Net Wave, okay? So, may meaning din yan. Alright, so nasa inyo naman yan kung lalagyan nyo rin ng pangalan or hindi, okay? Yan, so very defined din yan. Tapos, ito yung step by step ko or yung set of rules na ginagawa ko. Yan. So, dinefine ko dyan kung paano ako mag-analyze, kung paano ako mag-spot ng mga areas ko, okay, support and resistance, etc. And syempre, very detailed din ang aking entry criteria, stop loss placement, take profit, and of course, yung trade management. Yan. Alright, and syempre meron din akong rules kapag nagpe-pending order ako kasi kayari na busy tayo, kaya maganda rin na nagpe-pending order tayo. Alright, so ito na yung risk management rules ko. Kita nyo, 0.50% lang ang aking risk per trade. Tapos, ang risk exposure ko ay 1%. Okay, so actually ko din dito yung aking entry. Okay, and syempre maganda kung maglagay din kayo ng screenshot nyo, parang playbook nyo na rin to, okay? Para pag minsan na medyo nagda-doubt kayo, meron kayong babalikan. Yon. So ayun lang, I hope marami ulit kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Bye-bye!